Hi, I'm Ben Joyce, Penn Brand Manager, here today to talk to you about an exciting new launch for us, the Pursuit 3. The Pursuit 3 is the third generation in the Pursuit line, and we've added some extra features to it to make it the best value in the Penn lineup. Before we take a look at all the new features, let's take a look at the sizes that we offer. We've added a new 2500 size, and we've kept the remaining sizes from our prior generation, which was a 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, and 8000. Overall, we've kept a lot of the same features from the previous generation. We have a corrosion-resistant graphite body and rotor with a metal side plate to ensure the gears stay in precise alignment. We have a 4+1 bearing system. We have 2 bearings on the main gear, 2 bearings on the pinion gear. We have a double anodized spool with line capacity rings. And some of the exciting new features we have are the HT100 carbon fiber drag washers, as well as the super line gasket.
There he is. We're up back here in the backcountry catching a few sharks on the new Pursuit 3. We upgraded the drag material into HT100, so Penn's lowest price spinning reel now comes equipped with HT100 drag, and it's perfect for catching these big sharks.
The HT100 carbon drag washers are a big upgrade from the oiled felt that we used in the past. We get asked a lot what HT100 stands for. The HT stands for high tech, and the 100 means that 100 miles of line can be run off without showing any wear on these drag washers. The super line gasket, what this gasket allows you to do is tie braid directly onto the arbor of the spool so that you don't have lines slipping on there. We also offer all of these size reels in combos. One of the main additions that we've added is our Penn Dura guides. These are a one-piece stainless steel guide, so you no longer have to worry about inserts popping out. We also added, as a complement to our 2500 reel, a 2500 combo. So now in the Pursuit 3 lineup, you have a combo for everything from freshwater pond fishing to surf fishing.
Hi, Mike Rice, Penn Brand Manager, here to talk to you about an exciting new product. The Slammer 3 is going to be available fall 2016. There he is. First, from a size range standpoint, we're going to go down. Our smallest size will be the 3500. So think lightweight inshore, 10, 15 pound braid, something like that. And we're going to go up to a 10,500. So this is the biggest spinning reel that Penn offers today. This is the same size that we offer in the Spinfisher V. But by far the biggest spinning reel that Penn offers today. So think, 80 pound braid and 60 pounds of drag. You can basically do anything with this reel. Yeah, that's him. That's him. That's him. Wow. Another couple things we need to talk about, the construction. So the frame, side plate, and rotor are all aluminum, so full metal body construction. That's very important for keeping mainly the gears in alignment. And when we talk about gears, we're going to be using our CNC gear technology in this reel. There he is. And a little different than what we've done in the past. This is going to be a full brass system.
Our strongest and smoothest drivetrain yet. The Slammer 3 uses a fully machined brass gear system, which includes the drive, pinion, and oscillation gears. Precision cut to tight tolerances. The gearing in the Slammer 3 is designed for cranking power.
The new Slammer 3 uses our CNC gear technology, and it's all brass. Brass pinion, brass main gear, brass oscillation. And what that means is extreme durability, extreme smoothness, and extreme cranking power. From a drag standpoint, something a little different in the Slammer 3, we're using our Dura drag system. So this is the first time we've used this drag system in a spinning reel. The new Slammer 3 features our Dura drag material. This is a proprietary material, and it's a step above HT100 in that it's almost indestructible. Coming over you.
By utilizing 2 massive drag washers underneath the spool, the Slammer 3 reaches max drags not previously seen on Penn spinning reels. Dura drag material is our proprietary carbon fiber with a phenolic coating, which binds the fibers together to create the smoothest, most durable drag material we've ever used.
It's a little different from our standard HT100 washers in that these Dura drag washers have a phenolic coating. we see very few DuraDrags coming back into the shop for repair. Another main feature that sets this reel apart is our IPX6 sealed rating. So that basically means that this reel can take spray at high velocities from 360 degrees at just about every angle, and water will not get inside the drag system or the gearbox.
The Ingress Protection Rating X6 means the Slammer 3 is sealed from heavy seas and spray, protecting the key internals from saltwater intrusion. With seals on the drag system, around the main shaft and pinion gear, and the body, the Slammer 3 is sealed to our highest standard yet.
That's important when the reels are in the gunnel and they're getting a lot of spray, when you're coming in from a long day offshore, when you're surf fishing and you're taking a wash over, even a quick dunk in the water. These reels are not meant to be reeled underwater, fished underwater, submerged for hours or anything like that, but they do have seals in place to protect the key internals. Those are the three main features that set the Slammer 3 apart. So we talked about the drag system, the sealing, and the CNC gears. There are a couple other standard features that we offer on most Penn spinning reels that we need to discuss. We do have the line capacity rings down here on the spool. We're also offering them on the top here. That's the first on any Penn spinning reel. So you can see them, whatever angle you're actually fishing the reel, you can see the line capacity rings. One other thing I thought I'd mention is the handle knob. You're going to see a machined aluminum handle knob on the Slammer 3. Some people are fond of the aluminum handle knob, some prefer EVA. Sometimes aluminum has the tendency to get cold during the winter or slippery if you're fishing live bait. So we do offer an EVA knob in the box with the Slammer 3, although it will come like this off the shelf. And it's a very easy swap. You simply unscrew this top cap right here, pop the knob off, replace the bearings, put the EVA knob on, and that's a quick, easy switch if you prefer the EVA knob. Hi, Mike Rice, Penn Brand Manager, here to tell you today about a really unique product launch we have coming up. Fall 2017, this is the Penn Passion, both reels and combos, and it's our first female-specific product that we've developed in Penn. All right, so what makes something female-specific? Well, obviously you can see here the first thing is the grips. These are designed for the female angler's hand, so they're 10% smaller in diameter than a typical battle or spinfisher type combo. So smaller diameter, fits better in the hand, more ergonomic, easier to fish with all day. The other thing on the reel, obviously you can see the Win handle knob there, but the main thing on the reel is the gear ratio. So we've dropped the gear ratio down a little bit, so you lose a little bit on the pickup, but you gain a lot more on cranking power. So we're talking about a 15% increase in cranking power compared to a standard battle type combo. But the main deal here is the weight. So 15% lighter than the battle. So this would be basically our lightest weight combo. And we've done that by engineering weight out of the grips, as well as the blank and the guide. So we've taken a lot of weight out of the rod. And then on the reel, we've also gone to a graphite rotor. So the graphite rotor reduces weight where we typically would use aluminum. So again, 15% lighter weight than a typical battle combo.
The Penn Passion, the pink passion. It's a goodie. Penn, I can't believe it has taken you so long to come out with the ladies line. It's awesome.
That's a mean dude.
It is so wild.
He's probably gonna take the rest of the afternoon off now. If I had to guess. And let's not forget, you know, I said these were lady angler specific combos. We're also donating 1% of sales to the ABCF, the American Breast Cancer Foundation. That's a cause that we're proud to support.
50 years ago, Penn built the toughest spinning reel the world has ever known. And it's still said, the spin fisher doesn't like to lose a fish any more than you do. It was true then, it is true now. Let the battle begin. We started with a single goal, to create the most reliable spinning reel the world has ever known. Introducing the 5th generation of the Penn Spin Fisher, the Spin Fisher V. It starts with a full metal body and side plate, constructed with deeper anodization for corrosion protection in saltwater conditions. We added seals in key locations to prevent saltwater from contacting valuable internal components, giving the new Spin Fisher V a watertight design. We've moved the new slammer drag system under the spool and added oversized HT100 carbon fiber washers for more drag pressure, essentially doubling the maximum drag pressure. Because you fish in harsh conditions, we sealed the slammer drag system, preventing moisture from entering and ensuring performance when you need it most.
This new spin fisher is the real deal. We want to put some big heat on it, and we're doing it right now. We got a great fish on right now, and I think we got the best equipment in the business to do this job for sure.
The bail wire is now far thicker and stronger for a difference you can feel. Updated gear ratios were built for the perfect combination of power and speed. Models are available in sizes from 3,500 to 10,500, picking up 30 to 42 inches per turn of the handle. A high-strength alloy main gear and stainless steel main shaft transfer needed power when bearing down on hard-fighting fish.
Spin fisher 10-5, baby!
Big fish!
Lean on it, Big Daddy!
The 6-bearing system includes 5 shielded stainless steel bearings for corrosion protection, plus an instant anti-reverse bearing for fish-stopping power.
You take a 9,500 Penn spin fisher in the ocean, you better be loaded great guns, baby!
The Spin Fisher V comes standard with our Superline spool design, so you can spool braid directly without the use of mono backing. Line capacity rings have been added, so you can quickly see when you're at full, 2/3, and 1/3 capacity. Finally, the Spin Fisher includes 3 live liner models,